we're in Charlestown here, and this is the old gate that the workers have had to retrieve first before they can fix the gate. Look at the state of it. And then the new gate will be going in here, and we'll all be able to walk across the bridge again. Looks like it's staying there for the night. The tide's coming in. They have these Lego bricks over there trying to control some of the water. How they're getting out, I don't know. Right, so they're all going home now, having achieved what they set out to do, get that off the bottom, and the tide's coming in.
Just in time.
Just in time. They did a good job. They've all been applauded, but I missed filming that because they've been doing this for days. We were down here the other day and they were pulling on those pulleys, so they've worked really, really hard to get that up.
That was laying flat in the mud, wasn't it, I believe?
I think so, yeah. That's why it's all decaying. Really good job down here in Charlestown.
Are enjoying it too, down here.
I bet they're going for a pint now. Well, look at them all lining up. Such a big achievement.
Quite young as well, aren't they?
Yeah. Obviously got degrees or something in this kind of unusual work. That looks fun, doesn't it?
The tide's really just coming in now, so